Hello everyone, welcome back to Atozee English. In part 1, we already learned 10 important compound prepositions. Today in part 2, I will teach you 10 more useful ones with examples and explanations. So you can use them in daily conversation as well as in formal writing. Let's start. First preposition is along with. This means together with someone or something. Let's take an example. She came along with her friend. Here, along with shows that she didn't come alone, but her friend was with her. So, along with means together with something or someone. The next one is apart from. This means except for or in addition to. For example, apart from English, he also speaks French. In this sentence, apart from tells us that besides English, means except English, he has another skill, that is French. Next compound preposition, as well as. It is used to connect two ideas, meaning in addition to. For example, he is smart as well as hardworking. Here, as well as adds another quality. He is not just smart but also hardworking. So, as well as means in addition to, means it is used to connect two ideas. Next one is in line with. This means in agreement with or similar to something. For example, the new policy was created in line with international standards. In this example, in line with shows that the policy matches or follows the same standards as international rules. Means the policy is in agreement or with similar to the international rules. Next compound preposition is in place of. It means instead of or as a substitute. For example, take this book in place of that one. Here in place of shows the substitution. One book is being used as a replacement for another. So in place of means instead of or as a substitute. Next one is in case of. In case of is used for a possible situation, often emergencies. For example, call me in case of emergency. This means if any emergency happens, the correct action is to call me. Next compound preposition is for the sake of. This means for the benefit of someone or something. Let's take an example. He did it for the sake of his family. This phrase shows motivation. He acted not for himself but to benefit his family. Next one is in view of. It means considering or because of a situation. For example, in view of the traffic, we started early. Here in view of explains the reason. Because traffic was expected, the action was taken earlier. With reference to. It is used when referring to something, often in formal writing. For example, with reference to your letter, I am replying today. Means this phrase shows connection. The reply is directly linked to the letter received. So with reference to means when we referring to someone. The last one is in accordance with. This means according to or following rules or laws. For example, he acted in accordance with the rules. Here, in accordance with makes it clear that his action matched the rules. Means his action is according to or following rules or laws. So friends, today we learn 10 more compound prepositions with examples and explanations. Now it's your turn. Try to make your own sentence with these prepositions and share them in the comments. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Atozee English for more easy grammar lessons. See you in the next video. Thank you for watching.